is the best party ever! I'm so glad we decided to celebrate the new year here, with all our friends and delicious snacks. Happy New Year, forever friends! I hope you all have a fantastic time celebrating tonight!
Why did the cat sit on the computer?
Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse. Mouse.
Why did the cat sit on the computer?
Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse. Mouse.
Why did the cat sit on the computer? Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse!
That's a classic one.
Happy New Year, everyone! Wishing you all a fantastic start to the new year filled with joy, prosperity, and success in the coming months. Let's make this year amazing and full of joy for all of us and our... It is so wonderful to see you all here tonight to celebrate this special occasion with us. Why did the cat sit on the computer?
Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse and stay updated on all the latest cat memes, of course. Happy New Year!
Why did the cat sit on the computer? To keep an eye on the mouse. Why did the cat sit on the computer?
To keep an eye on the mouse, of course, and maybe send a few perfect emails to friends and family.
Watch out, flying pans! Soapy fun. Sweet celebrations! What an incredible cake you all have made! Simply perfect for this amazing New Year's Eve party! Well, that was an interesting turn of events at our New Year's celebration, wasn't it? Welcome, my dear friends, to this joyful New Year's celebration feast. I have prepared a special...